Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a really easy coleslaw recipe with you. It's a creamy avocado, low-carb, keto-friendly coleslaw using just these 4 ingredients. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe and loads of adaptations. There's more ingredients you can include in your coleslaw depending on your tastes and dietary requirements. So I will leave blog post down below, but these core 4 ingredients will give you a really creamy, delicious coleslaw. So we're gonna get on and get prepping. So before we prep, let me just quickly chat you through the ingredients. We've got cabbage here. I've got white cabbage. You could use a purple cabbage. You could use a mixture, whichever you like. You could use half the cabbage, whole cabbage. It really depends on how much you'd like to make, how big your cabbage is. This is quite a small cabbage, so I'll grate as much as I need and see from there. We've got sour cream, which is what I'm using as my creaminess. You could use mayo or plain natural yogurt if you want instead. We've got some salt for seasoning, and it is an avocado coleslaw, so we've got an avocado, nice, beautifully, perfectly ripe avocado, ready for mashing into coleslaw. So I've cut the cabbage into quarters to make it easier to manage, and I'm really just going to use a box grater over here and grate the cabbage until I've got enough for how much I want to make today. So you can use a food processor for this if you want, but I'm quite happy just grating it using a box grater. And you see you get lovely coleslaw pieces. So just keep grating, mind your fingers along the way, and once you've kind of got a full plate, I've got a bowl handy, a salad bowl, and I'll just keep going until I'm happy with the amount of cabbage that I've grated. Okay, so yeah, along the way I just grab my bowl out and we'll just pour the cabbage that's already grated into the bowl. And just keep grating until you've got fill your salad bowl with grated cabbage. So I used half of that cabbage and I've got a beautiful bowl full of grated cabbage. And now for our sauce, we'll move the cabbage aside and we'll get our avocado, sour cream and salt back. And we're just going to really combine all of these together in a bowl to make a nice creamy sauce and then mix everything through together. So I've cut open my avocado. It looks pretty perfect. It's always a bit of a gamble, isn't it, when you cut into an avo, you hope for the best. Thankfully this one was quite good. So we'll just pop all the avocado into the bowl. We can start by giving it a good mash before we add the sour cream in. Okay, that's a good start, and we'll just add in some salt. You can add pepper too if you want to taste, and at this point you could also mix through some apple cider vinegar, lemon, lime, some extra virgin olive oil if you want it to also have a bit of oil in it. But we're going to add in 1/4 cup of sour cream to get a lovely creamy sauce to go in our coleslaw. And now we'll mash it all together till we have a creamy avocado sauce. Now this could be just used as a dressing or a sauce with any meal. Oh, it's so good. If you're an avocado fan, you will love this. Just make sure it's all nice and smooth and creamy. Oh, that is beautiful, perfect. So we'll bring our cabbage back and we'll mix the coleslaw through. Okay, just pour all the avocado over. And then we'll mix it all through. Okay, just gently we'll mix all the dressing through, and if you think it needs more, you can add more sour cream, you can add mayo in. It's totally up to you. But you'll find that it kind of goes a long way if you just give it a good stir through. And there you go, that is perfect. I like to keep it in the fridge for a few hours to let all those flavors develop through. But as I said, if you want it creamier, you can add in some more sour cream, add in some mayo, you can add lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, really loads of options. But as I said before, I'll leave a blog post down below which will have the recipe and loads of adaptations for making this lovely coleslaw. And just look at that, it just tastes, of course I had a sneaky taste, it tastes so good. The avocado avocado is so creamy and works so well. It brings so much flavor with the sour cream to the cabbage. Only 4 ingredients, but such a lovely salad, a lovely coleslaw that you can enjoy through summer, take along to picnics, potlucks, barbecues. Just perfect. But that is the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this lovely creamy avocado coleslaw a try. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.